Today, we dive into the fascinating world of cognitive health with insights from Kristen Willeumir's book, Biohack Your Brain. As professionals, our mental acuity is one of our most critical assets. Understanding how to optimize our brain function can not only enhance our performance, but also protect us against cognitive decline. Let's explore the 6 simple steps Willeumier outlines for maintaining a sharp and healthy brain. 1. Understanding the brain's complexity. The human brain is a marvel of complexity. It houses 100 billion neurons, each connected to around 10,000 other cells, creating about 100 trillion individual connections. This intricate network enables us to perform every physical, mental, and emotional task. Example, think of the brain as a high-powered sports car. Just as a car requires regular maintenance and high-quality fuel, our brain needs proper care and nutrition to function optimally. 2. The importance of blood circulation. Good blood circulation is crucial for brain health. The brain uses about 20% of our blood supply, which carries essential oxygen and glucose to fuel our neurons. Poor circulation can lead to cognitive issues like brain fog and difficulty concentrating. Actionable step: incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Short bursts of exercise, such as a brisk walk, can enhance blood flow to the brain, boosting creativity and mental clarity. For instance, a walk during lunch breaks can rejuvenate your mind and enhance afternoon productivity. Dietary habits for cognitive health. What we eat has a profound impact on our brain's health. Willeumier emphasizes the importance of a brain-friendly diet, rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. Example, berries and seafood are particularly beneficial. Berries are packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect against cell damage. A study by Harvard Medical School found that regular consumption of berries slowed cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years. Actionable step: aim to eat at least 2 portions of berries and 2 servings of oily fish, like salmon or mackerel, each week. These foods provide the necessary nutrients to support brain health and prevent cognitive decline. Hydration is key. Our brain is 75% water by weight, making hydration essential for its proper functioning. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive performance, causing fatigue and loss of focus. Actionable step: make sure you drink enough water. Men should aim for about 3.7 liters, 7 to 8 pints per day, while women should aim for about 2.7 liters, 5 to 6 pints. Monitor your hydration by checking the color of your urine. It should be a light straw color or clear. 5. Mental workouts for cognitive strength. Just as physical exercise strengthens muscles, mental exercises enhance brain function. Engaging in activities that challenge the brain can foster neuroplasticity and neurogenesis. Example, reading long-form narrative fiction can boost various forms of intelligence. It enriches your knowledge, enhances problem-solving skills, and improves empathy. Actionable step: incorporate brain-boosting activities into your daily routine. For example, spend 20 minutes a day reading, solving puzzles, or learning new words. This keeps your brain active and helps build new neural connections. 6. Stress management through breathing exercises. Chronic stress is detrimental to brain health, causing neuron damage and increasing the risk of degenerative diseases. Managing stress effectively is vital for maintaining cognitive function. Example, deep breathing exercises can significantly reduce stress levels by lowering cortisol, the stress hormone. This simple practice helps maintain calm and clarity. Actionable step: practice deep breathing exercises regularly. Close your eyes, place one hand on your stomach and the other over your heart. Inhale deeply through your nose for 6 counts, hold for 3 counts, and exhale slowly for 6 counts. Repeat these 5 to 10 times to quickly reduce stress. Real-life applications. 1. Corporate settings. Encourage employees to take short breaks for physical activity and hydration. Provide access to healthy snacks like berries and nuts to promote brain health. 2. Educational institutions. Incorporate brain-friendly diets in school cafeterias and emphasize the importance of hydration and physical activity for cognitive performance. 3. Personal development. Adopt these practices in your daily life to enhance your cognitive health, productivity, and overall well-being. To summarize, Kristen Willeumir's Biohack Your Brain offers invaluable insights into optimizing brain health through simple, actionable steps. By knowing the brain's needs for circulation, nourishment, hydration, mental activity, and stress management, we can improve cognitive performance and prevent cognitive decline. Remember, your brain is your most essential asset. Treat it with the care and attention it deserves, and it will serve you well throughout your life. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to a sharper, healthier mind.